What is that?
A condom?
Yeah, we're gonna do a trick with it.
What are we gonna do with it?
You gotta open it up. Open it up first.
Ew.
Open it up.
Okay. What do you want me to do with this?
You gotta unroll it.
Babe, why am I
Unroll it,
doing
baby!
I do not like the way this thing smells. Why is it so big? What the hell?
So I'm gonna want you to stick that out the window here in a minute, cause
No,
I'm not.
babe,
I'm not
people are
going
gonna
to.
look at me.
I'm not going to speed right now, but I'm about to get on the roads where I can go fast, and whenever you stick it out the window, it's gonna do something really cool.
Babe, what if people look at me?
People are
gonna be
100%.
staring
People
at
are
me.
100% are gonna look at you. You're
Oh
holding
my
a
God.
condom out of the window.
Why is it so big? Baby, I do not want to do this. There is someone behind
You'll
us.
be fine. No, there's not. Babe, you'll be fine. I promise. 100% you'll be fine.
Okay, do I roll it down?
Here in a second. I gotta get up to the right speed.
Oh my god. Well then go faster!
Alright, let's go.
Oh my god. And I just stick it out the window?
Stick it out the window. Come on, baby. Open it up a little bit more. Open up a little bit more.
It's open!
A little bit more.
What am I supposed to do? It's open, babe!
A little bit more.
It's open!
I'm about to get up to the speed. Right now, I have to get to where I
I'm
can.
nervous!
Are you ready?
Do I roll down the window?
Yeah, go.
Oh my god, babe. People are gonna look at me. Oh my god! Do I let it go?
No! How funny was it?
I was not expecting that.
How funny was that?
That person slowed all the way down. Did you not see how big it was? And people still getting pregnant. How does that happen?
That was so funny. Are you surprised that it did that?
I'm extremely shocked.
That is so funny.
Did you not see my face?
Yes.
Oh my god.